Hello everyone, I'm back here with a video of science, and in this video we'll be talking about a healthy and balanced diet which can make us live a good and a happy and healthy day. As you can see here in the picture, there's a combination of fruits, healthy vegetables, grains, meat, rice, flour, and cheese, butter, all the combinations of a healthy and a balanced life. If you have a healthy and a balanced diet, of course, then you'll have a healthy and a balanced day, of course. Without a healthy and balanced diet, you cannot achieve a good day. So let's see what is a healthy diet and what is it about. So a healthy diet is one that helps maintain or improve general health. So basically, a healthy diet is one that helps us to maintain a proper routine, a proper and general health from inside. Because if we have a better health from inside ourselves, then of course we'll be able to do all the work easily. Being a student, it's very important. And in all ages of life, being a baby, being a student, being a teenager, and being an adult or young adult or in old age, all the ages require the right amount of food so that you can live a happy, healthy, and successful life. So a healthy diet provides the body with essential nutrients. It provides us with essential nutrition, of course, essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and calories. I mean, of course, all of these things combine to make a healthy diet where lack of calories is not an issue. I mean, of course, it's not. We all tend to eat a lot of sugars, a lot of things which are very much high in calories. So if we reduce a little calories, there's no problem. A balanced diet, in addition to exercise, is also thought to be important for lowering health risks. Now, even if you're very thin and you're having a proper weight, even then additional exercises are very important. You can test this. For example, you wake up in the morning tomorrow and you do a 2 or 3 minute exercise to get things going. you know in a couple of weeks, or in a couple, even in a single week, you might feel that my day is going quite good. So exercise with a healthy diet is very important for a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Okay, if we maintain if we eat a healthy diet and then we exercise regularly, of course I'm not asking you to exercise in a very excessive manner. Exercising as in starting off with 2 minutes, then increasing it with the passage of time. In a month you might increase from 2 to 4, and then 4 to 6, and on and on. Of course you cannot increase the amount of exercise very fast, because that is also going to make your body appear bad. It may give you a lot of pains in your body and stuff. So everything should be done in a very maintained, in a very optimum way. If we do not do exercise, we can become obese, we can have heart diseases even in young age, diabetes and hypertension, and even leading towards a very bad thing, god forbid, we should not even talk about it, but cancer. So we all should promise ourselves of maintaining a very healthy diet as well as doing exercise regularly. Okay, so what is a healthy and balanced diet? We're continuously talking about what it is. Now we look what it actually is. So when it comes to healthy eating, the most important thing to remember is there are no such things as good or bad foods. All right, you should clear your mind out of the things that this food is good and this food is bad. All right. The occasional biscuit or packet of crisps isn't going to do any harm as long as the rest of your diet is healthy, balanced. Of course, we all love eating chocolates, or if like talking about me, I do not like eating biscuits. But yes, I really love eating chips, ice creams, chocolates. Of course, everyone loves them. But eating it occasionally, like even if you eating it with a balance and of course maintaining a healthy diet, then it's not going to affect anything. So the secret to a healthy diet is balance. You need to maintain your balance, or your healthy diet should be on a higher ratio as compared to the things that make you crave for, like chips and biscuits. You should eat them, of course, but with a good balance. Okay, so why is a balance that important in the first place? Why should we even maintain such a thing? First of all, I told you to maintain a good health. Okay. So a balanced diet is one that provides the body with all the essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals required to maintain cells. We've got cells in our bodies, right? Tissues in our bodies, and even organs, as well as to make the organs function correctly. Okay, so we'll look forward into what are nutrients, what are vitamins, what are minerals, and on in the later slides. But for now, we all need to maintain a healthy diet which consists of nutrients, vitamins, minerals to make our organs function in a very correct way. A diet that is lacking in nutrients can lead to many different health problems, ranging from tiredness and lack of energy to serious problems with the function of vital organs and lack of growth and development. So basically, if our diet is lacking from main nutrients, then it can lead us to many serious problems. Like, it can start off with us feeling weak and dizzy in the morning, like I don't want to go to school, I don't want to leave my bed, I want to sleep more and more. And that can even affect your organs. Okay, our organs are very weak. Our liver, our kidneys, our heart, all of such things require a very healthy diet and maintaining it as well. Now here's a chart over here. Fats, oil, sugars, and salt, meat and alternatives, fruit, vegetables, rice and alternatives. All right, let's proceed. So what are vitamins? You can see a picture over here with apples, grapes, bananas, pears, and a kind of different kind of berries as well. So vitamins are chemicals needed by our body to maintain a very good health. Each vitamin actually does a different job in the body. All right. So if you lack, like if you do not take one vitamin, it can seriously affect your health. So you should be taking all the vitamins in all the quantities. Vitamins are required by the body but only in tiny amounts. You're not supposed to take that much of them, but they're required. So you all should promise me that from today onwards, you're going to eat fruits and you're going to put fruits in your diet on a daily basis. Mineral salts, all right? The body needs mineral salts in tiny amounts. Now you can see in a picture, there's a very freshly cooked fry egg with this bun kind of thing. And there's one more thing over there and it looks kind of tasty. And there's a bread over there, which is having butter on top. The different mineral salts are needed for different purposes, all right? Our liver, kidney, red meats, egg yolk, and dark green leafy vegetables contain a lot of iron, which is needed to make red blood cells and they carry oxygen to our cells. So we need to eat meat, we need to eat egg yolk, we need to eat very greeny leafy vegetables. Like there are many other corianders or even cucumber is green. So they help in maintaining and getting our body a lot of iron, which is very much important in making our red blood cells. And they're very important in carrying oxygen to the various cells in our body. Fats, the best thing. There's a butter over here, which looks so tasty. Fats can be used by the body to produce energy, and additional fats can be stored in the body for a long time too. So basically, fats can be used to the body to produce energy in addition, like extra energy, and they can be stored in our body for a very long period of time too. Not a very long, but a period of time. Some of this body fat helps us to keep warm. Some of it is used by the body to release energy whenever we don't eat enough food. It can lead to heart disease. See, in winters, our parents usually ask us to eat food, which is, we quit cold water, we drink warm water. We do not eat that much ice cream, we eat nuts and dry fruits to keep our body warm, right? Proteins. Proteins supply the body with some energy, but the most important role of proteins is to help our body grow. Without proteins, our body cannot grow. They're used to make new cells and repair the damaged ones. What happens when we don't get enough proteins in our diet? We will not grow properly and our muscles will become weak. If we do not eat meat, pulses, eggs, fish, and all nuts and all such things, then our body will become weak and our muscles will not grow, leading to us being short in height, not having a proper body structure and stuff. Water. We all usually don't like drinking water, but water makes up 70% of our body's weight. If you are actually 50 kilogram, okay, if you are actually 70 kilogram in weight, 70% of that particular amount is water. Out of 100, 70%. Every time we sweat, urinate, or breathe, we lose a lot of water. Okay. We usually run a lot and we sweat a lot. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid each day to make sure we're getting enough water for our body. That can be water in the form of water, that can be water in the form of a juice, that can be water in the form of any other form. But it's very important to drink water. So in the end, guys, I would like to tell you how can you maintain a good health. All foods can be part of a healthy diet. Of course, there are no such foods as good foods or bad foods. It's important for health to achieve the right balance and include a variety of foods. We have to put a lot of, not a lot, a variety and moderate foods in our diet every day. And eating a healthy, balanced diet and staying active are two of the most important factors to helping along and a healthy life. We all want to live long and we all want to live a healthy and a good and a memorable life. All right. So you all should promise me that you all will be eating all kinds of food to make yourself live in the best possible way and so that you can live a healthy life. All right. That's all for this video. I'll be making up more videos on science, so stay tuned for it. Goodbye, everyone.